So, Miss Afreen, here goes my very first question to you. What makes a restaurant feel like home even before the first bite is taken?
Assalamualaikum Ayesha.
Walaikum
How are
assalam.
you?
Alhamdulillah.
And it's a honor to be here with you.
Oh,
This is my first podcast.
I know that.
Okay. And the first question was, uh, how do you?
Make the restaurant feel like home even before the
Yes.
first bite is taken.
So basically, when I go to a restaurant or when the guests come to my restaurant, it should be very welcoming.
Yes.
You should feel the warmth. You should feel that you are invited. And before the warm food arrives at your table, it should be the warmth that should be felt by the customers. They should feel relaxed. They should feel at ease. They should feel that they belong here. So this is what I expect when I go to another restaurant, and this is the same feeling that I want to give to my customers, and I do give to my all my guests at my restaurant. So that is the reason customers always want to come back, and I try and connect with them personally, and this is how they feel very welcoming and at home when they come
And
to
I've
Good Friends.
heard that. And I love the name Good Friends. Any story behind that? A quick one?
Nothing as such. I just like this name because usually Hyderabadi restaurants would have some typical Hyderabadi names.
Yes.
So I said, no, we want to have something which is something very unique. And I've always been surrounded with friends. So I want all my customers to be my very good friend. So that's the reason it's Good Friends.
Good Friends, and I love that name. Very
Thank
unique.
you.
So, Good Friends is known for authentic Hyderabadi flavors. So, what makes these dishes so deeply connected to memory and culture?
See, when you speak of Hyderabadi cuisine, Hyderabadi cuisine is all about dum. The spices are different, and the recipes are passed down from generation to generation. There's a saying in Hyderabad: the recipes, give it to your daughter-in-law and not to your daughter, because it will go out of the household. So the recipes are passed on to the generations. When you have the Hyderabadi cuisine, you go back to your roots. You become nostalgic, and then you feel, oh, you just recollect your family gatherings, the festive occasions, and everything. So when we prepare food in Good Friends, I give my personal touch. And when there is a woman who's involved in the kitchen, the food is cooked with more feelings, passion, and love, and it makes the food more tastier. And plus, the Hyderabadi cuisine is very, very
It
very
is.
tasty. Yeah,
It is.
So yeah,
I mean, it
that's
is
what.
very famous as well.
Yes,
Hyderabadi
especially
cuisine.
the Hyderabadi biryani, because it's a slow cooked dum biryani with lots and lots of saffron, ghee, and not many garam masalas, just the ilaichi. That's the main ingredient. But now we do have some variations. But the authentic Hyderabadi biryani that we serve in Good Friends it'll take you back to your roots.
Wow.
Yeah, you will become nostalgic. You'll be like, oh, I have eaten this. My grandma used to prepare this. And the whole biryani thing is, biryani, the halim is handled by me. So I do all the marinations and everything.
Wow.
Yes, you do have to
yet to
try.
taste.
Yes, of course.
I am coming there
Yes,
soon.
inshallah, most welcome.
Okay. Food carries a lot of emotions, right?
Yeah.
And how do you ensure every plate tells a story of warmth and celebration?
See, the food that we prepare in our kitchen is with intention. I always, ask my chefs, because every day I have a team huddle. I ask them, when you're cooking the food, try and taste the food and just ask yourself, if this food is served to you, would you like it? Would you appreciate it? And would you come back to it, to the restaurant, to this particular dish? Would you mind paying for this dish? And then you'll get the answer. Then you will try and improvise the dish.
Improvise.
And and if it's good to go at the table, because the selection of the spices and everything, right from the recipes, the spices and the method, and everything is typical Hyderabadi. It'll go back to your Hyderabadi kitchen, wherein like your mom used to cook or your grandma used to cook the same way. We have the same techniques. Hyderabadi food is about technique.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not just like making a biryani. No offense. I'm just talking about the Hyderabadi biryani. It's very delicate.
It is.
You have to be very careful while preparing it, because it's cooked together. The meat and the rice is cooked together, so you should know how much time the rice has to take to get cooked, and the meat also has to get cooked. So everything has to come together, and then it's served on the table, and then people are like, "Oh my god!"
Oh my God.
Yes,
And that's one of our
alhamdulillah.
favorites as well.
Yes.
Hyderabadi biryanis are
Hyderabadi
famous across the world.
Yes, biryani, Hyderabadi biryani is the number one.
And I guess most of our areas people also prefer Good Friends restaurant
Yes.
biryani for
Yes,
Hyderabadi,
yes, for
especially.
Hyderabadi biryani. Just a small incident I can tell you. Yesterday I was at the restaurant and we got an order on Kita, and it was a special chicken dum biryani. The rider went and he came back. I said, "Again, you came? Like, what is it?" I said, "The customer ordered again. Again, I have to go back to him." So he said he liked the biryani so much. Within a span of 30 minutes, that same rider came back, said, "There's one more order of the same customer. He liked the biryani so much."
How nice.
And I was so happy. And I said, just say, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Because it's a very big thing.
It is.
And being a woman, and I feel I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who has helped me to move forward, and I'm so happy, I'm so glad, alhamdulillah, because usually in restaurants you wouldn't find a lady, especially with the biryanis, handling the biryanis, the halims, and the stuff.
Hats off.
Thank you so much.
So how does Good Friends restaurant turn everyday dining into an experience people remember and return for?
First of all, I believe the people come to the restaurant not for the food. You will find food everywhere. It is the gesture, it is your welcome, it is the smile when you welcome the customer.
Yeah.
When you make them, I believe we should not treat them as customers, you should treat them as guests, because they come here to feel relaxed. And I personally make sure to make personal connections with them. I go talk to them, I ask them, because see, nothing is perfect. There is always scope for improvisation, and I appreciate negative feedback more than the positive, because everybody would give you that, but the room for improvisation is just given by you learn from that. Okay, so I'm hungry for that, I need that. So the customers feel because when you go to them, you interact with them, they feel nice, they feel very comfortable, they feel okay, we are valued. That is very important. So I talk to my guests, I speak to the kids, the kids who come to my restaurant, I would just give them something or the else as a small souvenir or a token. They just like that. Yesterday I got a call from one of my guests. She told me, "Ma'am, you're the one now who loves kids now. You give them ice creams, you give them this." I said, "Yes, yes." "You give them chocolates?" I said, "Yes." So she was talking to me. So I felt so nice. I said, when they come back to me, when I look at them, they're like, "Akka, I came to you na. Last time I the, bahut acha tha." I said, yes, yes, thank you so much. You're
How
most
nice.
welcome.
Feels so good.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
Brilliant. So if you have to quickly summarize, what are the platters you have over there at Good Friends
At
restaurant?
Good Friends restaurant. See, my menu at Good Friends restaurant, I don't want to boast about myself, but the menu, if you go through, it is completely different from the other Hyderabadi restaurants. I have got my best-selling platters, wherein you have for 3 different types, 2 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 8, wherein you have it comes in a big thal, a platter. You'll have the biryani rice with different kebabs. You'll have 65 boiled eggs, and mirchi ka salan, raita, dessert, and a cold drink. It's a one pot meal, you can say. If you have a party, you can just take that and you're good to go, because you've got the biryani, you'll get the kebabs, you'll get the 60, everything in that. So that's my bestseller. Then my Hyderabadi biryani, my halim, my shami kebabs. They are like, when people eat them, they want to come back. And yeah, those are my best sellers. And in Ramadan, we are coming up with very good offers, wherein we would have on the go, the iftar buckets on the go, wherein you would have everything in that. So in a day or two, I would just release that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So like, you can just pick it up. You can go to a park, or you can go to a friend's place. You'll have everything in that. Right from, it'll serve the purpose, you can say. Right now, still in the
would like to
process, just
know
in a day or
about
two,
that.
I'll just disclose it. It'll have everything, right from the Hyderabadi snacks. I have a bucket which is coming up. It's called the Hyderabadi street food, wherein you'll have the Irani samosas, the Hyderabadi mirchi, the anda bonda, and all the Hyderabadi street food that you get in Ramadan.
Okay.
Including the dahi badas. So yeah, my biryanis would be there. Halim, of course. Without halim, there is no Ramadan. Yeah, so it'll be there.
Especially for all this Hyderabadis.
Yes, of course,
Yes.
of course, of course.
Okay, so where can we find Good Friends Restaurant?
Good Friends is located in Rola, Sharjah, just opposite KM Trading.
Okay.
You ask anybody, any good friend would take you to Good Friends.
I love that. It was such a good conversation with you.
Yeah,
Afreen.
same here.
And I'm glad you came today. You made it.
Yes, yes. I'm glad, but I regret I came in late.
That's okay.
Okay, I would have done it before, and I'm looking forward to see you, inshallah, at Good
Likewise.
Friends.
Yes,
Yeah,
I am. I
very
am
soon,
going to. Please
inshallah,
expect me
inshallah.
soon. I'm coming with my family.
Yeah,
there.
sure. Anytime. Most
Inshallah.
welcome.
Thank you very much.